The endocrine system exerts chemical control over the human body by maintaining the body's internal environment within certain narrow ranges. See concept maps 12:1 and 12:2, Endocrine system. TH is known as homeostasis. TH is maintenance of homeostasis, which involves growth, maturation, reproduction, metabolism, and human behavior, is shared by both the endocrine system and the nervous system in a unique partnership. It is the hypothalamus of the brain, a part of the nervous system that sends directions via chemical signals neurotransmitters to the pituitary gland, a part of the endocrine system. The pituitary is occasionally referred to as the master gland of the system because many of its hormones chemical signals stimulate the other endocrine glands to secrete their hormones. Hormones can be classified into three general chemical categories. The simplest group includes hormones that are modified amino acids. Examples are the hormones secreted by the adrenal medulla, epinephrine and norepinephrine, and the hormones secreted by the posterior pituitary gland, oxytocin and vasopressin. The second category is the protein hormones, insulin from the pancreatic islets and the gonad-stimulating hormones and growth hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. The third category of hormones is the steroid hormones, which are lipids. Examples are cortisol from the adrenal cortex and estrogen and testosterone produced by the gonads. The hypothalamus of the brain is the inferior part of the diencephalon. It has a unique role with the endocrine system because it plays a major role in controlling secretions from the pituitary gland. There is a funnel-shaped stalk, called the infundibulum, that extends from the fluid door of the hypothalamus connecting it to the pituitary gland. Historically, the pituitary gland is referred to as the master gland of the endocrine system because it controls the secretions of many other endocrine glands. However, in actuality, it is the hypothalamus of the brain that sends neural and chemical signals to the pituitary gland. Hence, the hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland. This relationship is akin to a concert performance. The conductor, like the pituitary gland, tells the various sections of the orchestra when and how to play the music. However, the conductor gets information from the sheet music or score. Nerve cells in the hypothalamus produce chemical signals called releasing hormones and releasing inhibitory hormones.
It's hardwired to beat starvation.
PSA hormones, which are actually neural secretions. either
For 3
stimulate or
days,
inhibit the
Jean-Luc has been
release of a
trapped
particular
underground.
hormone from
Hasn't
the
had a morsel
pituitary
to eat.
gland. Figures
He doesn't
12
know it,
to
but
1
his
and
brain
12
is
to
changing
2
how his body functions and
THSA
how he
releasing
behaves.
hormones
There are a
enter
couple
a
of different
capillary
brain
bed in the
centers that regulate
hypothalamus
feeding
and are
behavior as well as
transported
hunger. They're in
through a
different parts
portal
of the
vein
central
in the
part of the brain called the
epineuron to a
hypothalamus.
second
And in that
capillary
part of the
bed
brain,
of
you're
the
really driven to
anterior
seek out
pituitary
food, to
gland.
eat almost anything,
After
to try
leaving
to
the
stop
capillary,
yourself from starving to death.
they bind to receptors controlling the
To drive
regulation
Jean-Luc's
of
search for
hormone
food,
secretion from the
his brain
pituitary
first
gland.
releases a hormone.
It is within the hypothalamus of the
Orexin.
brain and the pituitary gland that
Orexin
the
comes in tiny
interactions and
doses, but it
relationships
has a
between
profound
the
effect.
endocrine and nervous systems
This
are
hormone makes
controlled
us
and
more alert,
maintained.
improves our muscle
Conversely,
efficiency,
due to
making us better
negative
hunters.
feedback,
It even
the
sharpens our
hormones
problem-solving
of the
skills.
endocrine system can inflection you. Hence, the
For
functions
days,
of the
Jean-Luc
hypothalamus,
scours the
the
caves.
major endocrine glands and their hormones. The endocrine
Finds water,
glands
but nothing
include
to
the
eat.
pituitary gland,
He starts
the
to
pineal
fear
gland,
the worst.
the thyroid gland, the parathyroid
Even
gland,
if, when I had a
the
little
thymus
hope,
gland,
I thought
the adrenal
obsessively
gland,
what would happen
the
over the
itis
last few
of
days,
Langerhans of the
or the last hours
pancreas,
before dying.
the ovaries in women,
It was a big
and the
question.
testes in
How
men.
I would
Figure
die.
12,
Was it
2,
going to
3,
be cold or hunger, or... It was a question that I always had in my head.
J'avais toujours en tête.
Sure that he's doomed, he records a message. But as hope fades, Jean-Luc's brain switches strategy to help him survive with no food. With his fuel stores depleted, his body becomes even more efficient. It makes him slow down. Now, his muscles use less energy. So do all his internal organs. New cells grow more slowly. Non-essentials, fingernails, toenails, hair, hardly grow at all. Jean-Luc is entering a survival state that evolved to keep starving animals alive until they could get to food. This enforced efficiency, which kicks in when we're at our limit, may have bigger implications. Some say it could help us all live longer.